HP Smart Tank Plus 651 Wireless All-in-One Review. Check the latest price and exclusive Prime membership offers from the Amazon link given in the description. The Smart Tank Plus 651 printed our 5-page text document in 35.1 seconds. This was slightly slower than the typical of 34 seconds. The Epson EcoTank, which also features refillable ink tanks, printed the document in 26.1 seconds. The Smart Tank 651 took 3 minutes and 30 seconds to print a 6-page color PDF of mixed text and graphics. That's a particularly slow rate of 1.7 pages per minute. This point was quite a moment slower than the typical. By comparison, the Epson EcoTank printed an equivalent document in only 1 minute and 22 seconds, or 4.4 ppm. Photo printing also was slower than the typical. Our letter-size test photo printed in 4 minutes and 45 seconds to 8 seconds slower than the typical. The Epson EcoTank was even slower, at 5 minutes and 4 seconds. Also, like most business-oriented printers and AIOs lately, the Plus 651 is operable and configurable from its embedded web server. Paper handling consists of 1,100 sheet tray that extends upward and outward from the rear of the printer. The tray also can be configured to carry up to 10 number 10 envelopes or 30 sheets of cardstock paper or label media. HP hasn't published a maximum monthly duty cycle for this AIO. Though its recommended monthly print volume is 500 pages, which is, compared with some competing models, somewhat meager. The Smart Tank's print quality was high across the board. Text documents looked attractive. Letter forms were adequately dark, with sharp edges. By comparison, the Epson EcoTank ET4750 produced a text that looked a touch lighter and slightly gray. Graphics printed with strong darks and well-saturated colors. Fine details looked sharp. The Epson EcoTank and therefore the Brother investment made prints that did not look quite as sharp because the HPs in some areas. These two models also lacked HP's stronger dark shades that created a satisfying contrast. Especially, the HP printed a robust black in boxes surrounding white text, giving its prints extra pop. Glossy photos printed with natural-looking colors and many of fine detail. By comparison, the Epson and Brother models made prints that looked warmer, with brighter reds and yellows. Setting up the Plus 651 may be a bit different from installing the ET4760 and other EcoTank brand models. Also, as some recent Canon Megatank machines, like the G5020 and therefore the G6020. Epson's EcoTank printers and AIOs come able to add ink and go, you only fill the reservoirs and print. With earlier Megatank, and now Smart Tank Plus machines, on the opposite hand, you want to install the printheads. This process is extremely almost like changing out the ink cartridges on lower-end Canon Pixma and HP Envy brand models. The 4 process colors printheads are available: 2 cartridges, an outsized one for black ink and another tank that holds the opposite 3 printheads. During this case, though, going to the carriage that holds the printheads is somewhat of a challenge, especially if you do not pay close attention to the documentation at the start and through the procedure. Kindly see the description for this Amazon product link. Thanks for watching this product review video. Kindly